On this week's edition of Fresh, we have a Banville bronze line. Yeah, we got one of those turds that see everywhere. As you can tell from Fresh, it's new in the box. The box is not in the shed right now, but I got it from another collector. He shipped it to me. It cost like $100 total. My bronze line, it's from 2008. Heavy duty industrial. Well, no, not much info about these other than like nostalgia. Well, without further ado, let's do low. Oh, that thing is super buzzy, it's super loud. Yeah, this is low. It's like a low I'd see like on the 4-speed control. The fan is super well balanced. I'll put it on a little quarter of a turn. Yeah, it does hang pretty low because this is like eye level right now. So I'm listening to, so it's like way low. Like I don't want to get too close to it though. And this is the testing rig. It's pretty fast, very fast. Medium low speed as it kind of like shown here. I mean, it doesn't blow bad air though. It's a good fan. Super well balanced, as I said. But to medium high, I guess. It'll be like another quarter of a turn. And full speed. This is the time when those blades like kind of, well, not yet though, but oh, there it is. The blades are like kind of floppy now, which is weird, but that's how it came. And here's spin down. Meanwhile, there's the fans in this shed throughout here. They're off right now. I should turn them on. Maybe next video. There's a very little scuff there, but that's the only thing. It's not very visible from far. Meanwhile, I'm gonna plug in this little camera. It's maybe off topic of the video, but but at least yeah, it's in the treehouse. At least it's another fan. Those industrials are notorious for having long spin downs. Yeah, this is the bronze line we'd see in the Walmart. Well, that's what I usually see the most in Walmarts, and they always very dirty. Blades are like black coal from years of dirt, and they still spin pretty well. They're kind of like a Westinghouse Industrial with curved blades, but I think Westinghouse Industrials are in general worse. I mean, it's a durable fan, but for cheap air movement. Alright, spin down has been complete, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.